Hi there. Today we'll be checking out the Airthereal T1 Touchless Automatic Dustpan. So let's get right into it. When you open it up, the first thing you get is the unit itself, along with the manual. And honestly, this is one of those manuals that's actually worth reading. This is a pretty advanced piece of technology, so I definitely recommend giving it a quick read. Once you take the unit out of the plastic, this is what you're working with. Right on the front, you've got a large, user-friendly control button panel, which I really like. There's also a clear diagram showing all the different modes and which buttons to press depending on what you want it to do. Sort of like a quick guide to the button functionalities. On the front here, you'll notice the dustbin itself, and just below that is the sensor and the vacuum intake, which is where all the dirt and debris gets sucked in. Around the back, we've got the air filter. Now, let me pop that back in real quick. Here's the power cord, which comes neatly wrapped for secure storage. And here we have this flexible removable vacuum hose. Now, here's how you remove the dustbin. And there's also filters that sit on the inside of the dustbin. Now, what's in here? In the dustbin here, we have an attachment that goes on the hose, which is perfect for getting into corners and other hard-to-reach areas where dust and debris usually hide. Now, let's talk about how it actually works. The controls are super simple. You press the power button and the device is powered on by default in floor mode. When it detects debris in front of it, the vacuum turns on. Pressing the play button will activate the vacuum for 6 seconds. And when you press the settings button, you can switch the sensor on and off. And when you're using the hose or tool mode, you press the play button to initiate the vacuum and the settings button to adjust between low and high gear. Here's some real life footage of it in action. As you can see, when I sweep debris towards it, it just vacuums everything up effortlessly. Even when using the hose attachment, you still get the same strong suction power, which is super handy and very useful for quick cleanups. Overall, this is a very practical and convenient cleaning tool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.